On December 24, Christmas Day, I'm crossing the freeway 580 to towards the Oakland area, and this is the Berkeley area, Emeryville area. Traffic is pretty heavy. We want to just show you guys what's going on the freeway right now. Family in the back car. Just want to show you guys how busy this California time. It's a pretty nice day today. There's no raining, at least no raining. A little cloudy, but people seem to get out of the house and must be going towards San Francisco. A lot of traffic, a lot of traffic. Trying to get home here. See on the right side the bird flying. Anyway, on behalf of my team, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Enjoy your time with family and friends and loved ones. Happy New Year 2022.